Hi everyone, this is exercise 3 of PSLE booklet number 1. We are looking at page 7, two questions, question 9 and 10. Again, this is exercise 3 of the PSLE basic item booklet questions. Here is page 7, question 9 and 10. We are looking at two pretty common and popular questions, especially this one, question 9, that talks about groups of objects. So the tip that I have always shared is that if you have trouble recognizing the group mentioned in the story, try to draw it out or represent the groups. So here's talking about the least amount of money needed to buy 12 such donuts. Looking at the donuts on sale, the instruction is that for one donut, $2 each. Okay, so one donut is $2. That's $2. Okay, that's $2. And then here's the sale, the package that you can get. There is a 3 plus 1. So if you buy a 3 donuts, you get a plus 1. That makes a grouping of 4 donuts. Okay. If I go with such ideas to get 12 donuts, that would mean I will need 3 of such groups, right? How many groups would I need? So 4 and then 4, and then you have another group of 3 plus 1, 4 donuts. So 4 times 3 is 12, or 12 divided by 4 is 3. You can think about it this way also. So in other words, you have 3 sets of the 3 plus 1. And actually, the actual donuts that you are paying for is the first set, the 3 of them here, the next set, the 3 of them here, and for the next set, 3 of them here. So accurately, you are saying that you're paying for these 3 times 3 donuts. That's 9 donuts that you're paying for, and the other 3 donuts came along free. So that's 9 actual donuts that you're paying for. 9 times 2 gives you $18. That's the least amount to pay that you need to spend to get 12 of these donuts, rather than you pay 12 times 2, 24, right? Because there are 3 that came in free. Okay, the next question, question 10 on symmetry. Now, the tip that is that often shared with regards to symmetry is and geometry questions is to try rotating the paper in a manner that helps your eyes to be able to see and visualize the question. So looking at this, the line of symmetry here, xy is the line of symmetry, is a horizontal line. If you have trouble looking at a horizontal line, you can turn the paper around, okay, to see it vertically, to see the line of symmetry xy vertically. Oops. Ew. Sorry. Oh no. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, so I'm trying to use a highlighter on my device. This is a bit challenging, but you get the idea. So well, because this is like I'm working on a PDF copy, I can't really rotate it. If you're able to rotate, you can turn it vertically if it helps you to see better. Okay, so I'm going to use my gray pen here. So looking at I'm going to match this one with this one here. So I'm supposed to shade 3 more squares to make sure it's symmetric. So this is the first one that's matching with the one across, right? Okay. and to match this one here. Okay, you can also check by looking at here. This is the one that is white. So this corner should be kept. This square, the corner should be kept white. Okay, and then the last one is this one here. To match with this one. Just to let you know, to ensure that I'm getting this right, I'm also really physically turning my neck to check, to see if it's symmetric, and double check by looking at the line of symmetry vertically, or even rotating my laptop. Okay, so do practice and be comfortable with rotating the paper. Okay.